I thought I would come on and do a short live video. We've been gone for the past week working on a fire job, pretty good sized fire job, handling the contents and some of the structures up, mostly the content side of things. Anyway, today's Sunday. We flew home yesterday. By the time we landed in the Portland airport, sometime I think around 11 o'clock, and it's like a 2.5 hour drive for us to get home. So anyway, we pulled into our driveway about, I don't know, 3 o'clock maybe, by the time we got through traffic and stopped at the grocery store and that sort of thing, and got home. Great week, amazing week. We spent it there with Service Restoration, which is an incredible company in Rochester, Minnesota, and got home with lots and lots to do. I have definitely emails to write and a few things to go over, tons of video to edit, and yet, what am I doing? There we go. This is what I'm doing on Sunday, the next day from being gone all week. I am taking the day off. I'm having a free day. I am walking on the beach, which is literally, there you go, in case Ray's listening. I said literally again. Right out my back door. We take a short little beach path, and it takes us about 3 or 4 minutes to be standing right here from our front door. And it's gorgeous. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is not too far. We're about 15 miles up, I think, from where the Pacific Ocean meets the Columbia River that runs through, actually clear up into Canada, and it runs into the beach here. And I have my assistant here with me, my cohort, and we're just walking, enjoying the weather. It's about 72 degrees, I think, here today, which feels like 80 because we have 86% humidity or some crazy thing living right here on the water, and just taking it easy. I'm not thinking about all that stuff that I have to do. I didn't even open my laptop today. I have been on Facebook a little bit catching up with friends, but I came out, played around the yard, planted some flowers, did a little weed eating in my garden, and now I'm coming out here to get a walk and just unwind, rejuvenate myself, recharge. And I know I did a Ask Anissa video a little bit back on this topic because I had someone ask me, like, what, this is a really stressful industry that we're in. We've got a lot of, clients in despair, and we just have a lot on our plate when we're, handling these kind of losses and helping people and walking them through their stress. And if you don't unwind, unplug, and recharge, you're not going to have the energy to help people. And this is really, really important for you to do, because it's not all about work, right? It's about life. It's about having a life. So anyway, as you can tell about my hair blowing around wildly, it is breezy here. Like I said, this is literally the open Pacific, about 3,000 miles that direction. Somewhere out there is Japan. Oh, okay, sorry, water just hit my feet. It's a little chilly. Our water here, this is not swimming water, by the way. It's 55 degrees year round. It's not the Caribbean, and the waves are serious. It's definitely rough water. They actually call it, for boats, they call it the graveyard of the Pacific. It's some pretty rough waters out there. Great crabbing though, and salmon fishing, let me tell you. We enjoy that a lot. Anyway, I just wanted to share the scenery with you guys and remind you that this is Sunday. And I know there's lots of work to do. There always is. There's always jobs to get to. There's always things going on, but you've got to take care of number one. And a lot of people would say that might be your customer, your client. It's not. Number one's you. Because if you aren't spot on and taken care of and relaxed and got your battery recharged, you're not going to be at your best, which means you're not going to be able to serve anybody. Not yourself, your clients, or anyone. So anyway, I just wanted to take a minute and share with you guys, remind everybody to just stop working, put down the laptop, turn off the computer, put your cell phone on silent. In fact, maybe shut it off, which is what I'm going to do as soon as I'm done with this video. And just walk around, do something that you like, that's nice, whether it's, hopefully you get to walk on the beach like I do every day, but maybe it's a walk in the woods. Maybe it's going out in your backyard and sitting down and have a nice cold beer and playing with your kids, or maybe it's going for a swim or whatever that is. But Find that something for you that helps you just get your mind off of everything, all right? And have a fabulous...
You gotta do you, boo-boo.
There you go. Words of wisdom from Kevin. Gotta do you, boo-boo, he says. But before I let you go, I want to leave you with this image. That beautiful, amazing, powerful ocean that surrounds our country and brings me a lot of peace. This is what I do. This is how I do me. This is my Zen. This is my spiritual space, and I visit it daily. And you should do the same. On that note, you have a fabulous rest of your day.